Paul from Katy needs some conservation advice.
Yeah, well, he's got a large home Tom built in back in 1989. And Paul writes, I'm looking to make it more energy efficient to reduce my energy bills. A laudable goal, don't you agree? He says the windows are single pane aluminum, the doors are either steel or wood, the insulation is blown in fiberglass, original to the house back in 1989. And he said, I have already added roof ridge vents, but have been looking into adding more insulation or installing radiant barrier foil or new windows or other options. So Tom, bottom line, Paul wants to know what order would provide the biggest bang for the buck in doing some of these things.
Radiant barrier first. There's no doubt about it. I have been harping on this since 1988, about the time the house was built. You have to have a radiant barrier. Now, I don't know how much insulation, but you want about an R30 to an R38, so you can have that beefed up a little bit. And that's all you do in the attic. Then don't worry about the doors. Next step would be windows, because if it's a big house with lots of windows, it's going to be an energy hog. So radiant barrier, attic insulation, get up to an R30, R38, because I know if it was built back then, it has an R19. And then you can go into a window package. And that's about all you can do. Now, I don't know how large this home is.
Yeah, he doesn't say.
I know he didn't say, and I would be curious, but I have built a home that was 12,000 square feet. Mm. And they said, I want it energy efficient. It's a bowling alley. You're going to pay the bill. And that's exactly how I looked at them. And they said, okay. So you can only do so much, but the radiant barrier is a good starting point.
As my daddy taught me a long time ago, if you can't pay the dues, don't join the club.
I agree. That's why my house is paid off, and it's not that big.
All right. Do you have a question? We'd be happy to take a shot at it, save you some money, help you around the house. That's what we do. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com, click on that Ask Tom form, fill it out, send it in. We'll answer it just like this, and we'll post it on our YouTube channel, our website, and even our Facebook page. And if you haven't followed us there, we'd love it if you would.